Hi everyone, this is Melissa from the Art of Manifesting group. So a lady in my group has raised her metabolism using the pendulum for her highest health and well-being. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So you have to say, for my highest health and well-being with no adverse side effects. Otherwise, you might raise your metabolism and go dizzy, or something else might happen. So always do it for your highest health and well-being. So you need to find where your set point is. Show me where my metabolism set point is. It's actually set here. And where should it be set for my highest health and well-being? So you just ask to raise my metabolism set point for my highest health and well-being, for fat burning, but in a way that's healthy and balanced for me. So this is all you need to do. This is just a pendulum command for healing. So you can connect to your cellular energy and any energy within the body. So we're just going to let that finish clockwise. Okay, show me where my metabolism set point is now. So now it's higher. So always say, for my highest health and well-being. This is just one technique you can do for pendulum healing for the body. Now you can eat more cake.